Mr.
Yes,
Goswami,
because
first
I
and
happen
foremost,
to be an Indian
salutations.
Muslim, so you are allergic to me, that I know.
Here comes the victim card, Indian Muslim.
Yes,
Why do you drag this Muslim card everywhere? No, why do you drag this? No, first and foremost, all the viewers who are watching this, please, sir, look at this man. This man does not allow others to speak. This man carries out with a victim card that he's an Indian Muslim and his brother has been killed. I mean, this man is a supporter of a terrorist. He still has a space in an Indian channel, and still he cries foul. I mean, look at it. Mr. Goswami, I don't want to pick up a fight with this man, but the mood question over here is...
Majid, now thanks, Majid. Majid, don't overdo it.
Enough, Majid.
Majid, don't overdo it. Thank you, Majid. No, someone else on the right, please. Thank you. Okay, Waqar Bhatti on the right. Thank you, Majid. Now,
can I just complete?
Yeah.
First and foremost, Mr. Goswami, my salutations to the Indian Army. I mean, we had seen some very gory scenes about 3 days ago in Handwara. We had seen very emotional scenes when the families of, Colonel Ashutosh or be it Major Sood, we had seen them. I mean, I salute the wives of these great army officers. I mean, the composure, the calm that these people had maintained was absolutely deafening. And today I firmly believe that the avenging has been done by the Indian Army. Salutations to the Indian Army. Secondly, and very importantly, remember, this jihadi journalism that Mr. Sushant Sareen was talking about is not just in Lutyens Delhi. It is a bigger gang, you know. Just remember October or somewhere when Abu al-Bakr died, there was this Washington top headline saying that religious scholar al-Bakr dies, as if he died of heart attack and he was a great scholar. So there is a gang of which this Khan Market gang, this Lutyens gang is a part, you know. You know the famous journalist who said that Burhan Wani was a headmaster's son. And today they are saying that he's a mathematician and he loved painting. Remember, his only mathematics was counting dead bodies, and his only painting was using blood on a canvas. This is what his, I would say, quote-unquote, talent was. And whatever fate he has reached today, thankfully, it is because of his wrong talents that he possessed. Salutations to the army.
Yeah. Now, first of all, everyone should speak not out of turn. Waqar, you will debate with Gaurav Arya. Just a minute. I'll come to you. I see your hand go up. Okay, Mohammad Aqib Renzu Shah wants to come. But 1 minute, Mohammad. Let Waqar come in because Waqar will debate with Gaurav Arya and we'll move on. Okay. You see, Waqar, the point is, we don't want to kill people just like that. But we will kill.
Okay.
If anybody in India, listen to me, anyone in India even touches our soldier, there will be blood. Listen to me, don't worry about the statement. I was looking at the statement today. You see the way in which, you know, the way in which this Hizbul, what is his name, this Naiku was killed. The message is, it's a loud warning that even those who touch anyone who touches our soldiers or their sponsors behind enemy lines, if you dare to attack our forces, if you threaten, if you abduct families of police officers who are serving the nation, there will be blood.
Hi everyone, I'm Sujarata Kukreti. Thanks for checking out Republic World. If you would like to watch more show highlights and live coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to download the Republic World News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.